What you're about to see is absolutely unbelievable. A man builds an entire house in the middle of a dense forest using only simple tools and natural materials. No heavy machines, no electricity, just skill, patience, and determination. Stay until the end. You won't believe the final result. Deep inside the forest, a Chinese man begins searching for the perfect location. Surrounded by towering trees, thick bushes, and wild vegetation, he carefully explores the area. After a long search, he finally discovers a beautiful spot beneath a massive banyan tree. The giant tree provides natural shade, while its strong roots help create a stable environment. Without hesitation, he decides this is where he will build his dream home. The first task is clearing the land. Armed with only a few basic hand tools, he starts cutting away bushes, weeds, vines, and fallen branches. Every inch of the area is cleaned with incredible patience. After several hours of hard work, the forest floor is completely transformed into a clean construction site. Next, he begins preparing the foundation. He carefully levels the ground, removes loose soil, and shapes the surface into a solid base for the house. Every movement is precise, showing years of experience and excellent craftsmanship. Now it's time to build the main structure. He collects strong bamboo from the surrounding forest and cuts each piece to the correct length. One by one, he assembles the bamboo frame, tying everything together securely with natural rope. Slowly, the skeleton of the house begins to rise. With the frame standing firmly, he turns his attention to one of the most important features, a traditional stove. Using clay and natural materials, he carefully builds a stove that serves two purposes. It allows him to cook food while also keeping the house warm during cold nights. It's a simple but brilliant design that makes life in the forest much more comfortable. As construction continues, he strengthens the walls by adding more bamboo supports and natural materials. Every part of the house is built with care and precision. At this stage, nearly half of the project is complete, and it's already clear that this will become a beautiful and durable home. The next challenge is building the roof. He gathers large coconut palm leaves from nearby trees and carefully arranges them into thick layers. One by one, the leaves are attached to the bamboo roof frame. This natural roof provides excellent protection from heavy rain, strong sunlight, and changing weather conditions. With the roof completed, the house finally begins to look like a real home. He smooths the floor, organizes the interior, and makes the space comfortable for daily living. Every small detail is carefully finished, creating a clean and welcoming environment. The transformation is simply incredible. What was once an untouched piece of dense forest has now become a beautiful handmade house built entirely with natural resources. No expensive equipment, no modern construction crew, just one man's knowledge, determination, and hard work. This amazing project reminds us that with creativity, patience, and persistence, even the most difficult environments can become a place to call home. If you enjoyed watching this incredible journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing survival and construction videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.